Hi everyone, welcome to the Higher Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 79, Carol's Shopping List. And sağdası qaranlar, and bu şəhər Carol's Shopping List. And shopping degan mal setibelish, list degan nima arsan tizimligi. And shopping list deganimiz mal setibelish tizimligi. Qarasanglar, bu o'ng qo'l tarafda bir tizimlik turdi shunama birinchi masalan 3 bread, cheese, crackers, toilet papers, water, fruit degandek. Demak hamda masalan mol sotuvlar chiqishdan burun o'ziga nima kerakligini bir qog'ozga yozib olib bir tizimlik qilib olgan bo'lsam, o'shani deymiz shopping list degan. Xo'sh, hamsi bugungi darsimizda o'sha Carolning shopping list to'g'risida to'xtalamiz. So first of all, let's learn some new words. Okay, shopping. Okay, shopping. Ayish bo'lmalı. Shopping. Okay, shopping. Mal setibelish. List. List. Tizimlik. Talon. Vegetable. Vegetable. Sayko'ktab. Need. Need. İhtiyaclar. Hope, arzu qilmoq, umid qilmoq. Thing, ish degan gap. Money. Alright, money deganimiz pul degan gap. Xo'sh, bo'lsa, bu so'zlarning tafsilotiga bir qarab boqaylik. Birinchisi shopping. Alright, shopping. Do you know shopping? Okay, shopping degan mal setibelish. Masalan, go shopping. Bu go shopping degan do some shopping degan gapchi. Endi bu deb aytsanlar, bazarinlash, mal setibelish degan gap. Go shopping, yoki nima do shopping. Undan mesela shopping center. Center deganimiz markaz, hamda mol setibelish markazi. Hisobda bir mol hamma narsa bir markazni deymiz, shopping center deymiz. What about shopping mall? Okay, shopping mall. Okay, mall degan so'z hamda bu savdo shaharchisi degan gap. Masalan, Tema shunama to'rdagi Taoba'ningki, ya'ni bir Alibabaninki, yana bir to'rt bitda Tmall deymiz. Shunama Tmall. Demakchi, shu Tmall shang deb qo'yingsa, shopping mall bu cho'ng savdo shaharchisi nima deymiz? Sanlar shopping mall. Balki butun bir bino bo'lishi mumkin. Shunama? That is called mall. What about shopping center? Demakchi bir mall setibelish har xil buyumlar, narsalar to'plashgan joyni shopping center deymiz. Shopping center. What about shopping list? You know, shopping list we've just learned. It is tizimlik, shunama, and make a shopping list bo'lsa, mal setibelish tizimligi yasamak, mal setibelish tizimligi tuzmak degan gap. Okay. Okay, hamda yana bir jumla, let's go shopping together. Okay, let's go shopping together. Demak hamda, mal setibelishga boraylik, birga chiqaylik degan gap. Let's go shopping together. So they can do some shopping here. And ular bu yerda mal setib oladi shunami? Do shopping. Do shopping. What about I often go shopping in? You know, I often go shopping in. Nada. Bir yana ishil bo'lsin, Arman. Okay. Arman. Yoki nima aytsanlar? At Arman. Agar men kichik o'rinlar at supermarket deymiz. Nima? Endi in the ishida shunami? I often go shopping in Arman. I like Arman supermarket. Arman supermarket. Okay, demak hamda shopping degan yeriki mol setibelish. Uniki yana bir window shopping deb bo'lsa. Window degan deriza shunami? Ko'znak. Window shopping bo'lsa ko'znak mol setibelishdan-da? Yo'q. Bu hamda inglizchadagi ko'rib hech qanday narsani olmaslik. Demak, mana bu voy bo'lgan namuna sinab qo'yib shunami? Oxirida qanday desanlar olmayman. Bu qizlar bekor amroq bo'ldi bu namoz etilishga. Bu ayliq ko'zning pishtirib turishdanmoq. Da bir ayliq ko'rib bir shuning bir xil setib olgandek bir hissiyatga kelish. Motion deymiz, window shopping deymiz, ha? Do window shopping. Do window shopping. Okay. Next one is list. Okay, list. Tizimlik ta'lim degan gap. Masalan, food list. Masalan, oshxonaga kirsak, waiter and waitress bizga nima berdi? Food list. Demak, tamoq tizimligi berdi shunami? Shunday deymiz food list. What about shopping list? You know, shopping list also, you know, list of shopping. Okay, it's such as like what kind of things you need to buy. Like first I need to buy, second, third. Nima? Masalan, bo'lib chet-elliklar masalan talabozlarga chiqishdan burun yoki bozorga chiqishdan burun mana bir tizimliklarni yozib olib, men birinchi man chet-elga kerak, ikkinchi man mushun deymiz. Shopping list. Shopping list. Okay. For example, can I have the list for dinner? Men kechki tomoqning tizimligini ko'rib baqsam bo'lamdi yoki men shuni bilsam bo'lamdi yoki menda bo'lsa bo'lamdi degan gap. Can I have the list for dinner? List for dinner. So please erase my name from the list. Okay, please erase. Erase deganimiz o'chirib o'tdik. My name, mening ismimni from the list. O tizimlikda mening ismimni o'chirib o'taman. Please erase my name from the list. From the list. Okay. His name was dropped from the list. Okay, I'm not on ismi. Bu tizimlikda qanaqa qolibdi? Tushib qolibdi. Dropped from the list. My mother listed things she wanted to buy. Okay, men apam o'zi setilishni xohlaydigan, setib olg'isi bor narsalarni qanaqa qildi dedi? Tizdirdi edi. Mother listed the things she wanted to buy. Setilishni xohlagan, setilishni orzu qilgan narsalarni qanaqa qildi? Tartibga tizdi. Okay. Next one is a vegetable. Okay, vegetable. Vegetable deganimiz nima? Sayko'ktat. Nima deymiz? Vegetable deymiz. Az qaranglar, bir necha sayko'ktatning nomlarini bir o'rganib chiqaylik. Okay, like potato is a vegetable, not a fruit. Okay, potato degan yangish nomi. Baranga. Baranga nima emas? Meva emas. It's not a fruit. It's a vegetable. Okay. And ma bir xil meva bo'lganda ma'ni sanag'ini bo'ldi a fruit. Okay. A fruit. Agar anda o'rtaq qism bo'lsa, meva degan narsa bo'lsa, nima a fruit degan bo'lmaydi. Endi bir xil meva bo'lgan bo'lsa, a fruit. Demak, endi bir xil turini ko'rsatgachga ma'ni oldiga ayni qatishga bo'ladi. Agar endi meva deb ko'plik bo'lsa, nima desan, a fruit desak bo'lmaydi. Vegetable and fruit. Vegetable and fruit. Okay. Masalan, vegetables are good for you, all right? Odatda masalan, badangizdan yaxshi foydalashunami? Odatda masalan biz yeydigan tamoq masalan rich food and vegetables and protein, shunami? Aqsil deymiz, vitamin deymiz, mushlarni ma'risanlar, mushu vegetables ko'p. Okay. All right, how often do you have this kind of fruit or vegetable? Okay, how often do you have? Demakchi qanchalik vaqtda bir yeysiz? Nimani? This kind of fruit or vegetable. And bu xildagi fruit. Demakchi nimani qanchalik vaqtda bir qanaqa qilsiz, iste'mol qilsiz, yeysiz. I have vegetable soup or tomato soup. Okay. So, do you have vegetable soup or tomato soup? Siz sayko'kta sho'rib ichdingizmi yoki sho'xlaninkimi? Okay. So our family has a vegetable garden in the country. Okay, bizniki oilning sahrada vegetable garden. Okay, endi sayko'ktat gulligi bor deydi. Sayko'ktat gulligi bor, vegetable. So now let's learn more vegetables together. More vegetables together. Look. Ans qarab baqinglar, bular qaysi mevachilardir? Okay. Mevachilardir. Masalan, birinchisi qarasam bo'lmaymi? Baranga. Uyg'urchasi shunami? Endi buni nima deymiz? Potato. Potatoes. Ko'plar shakli potatoes. What about next? Ikkinchisi pomidor, shunami? Pomidor, what is that? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Wow. What is the next? King's It's called carrots. Right? Carrots. Bu nima savza? Uni the King's That is peppers. Okay. Laz degan nima deymiz sana? Peppers. Okay, next one is mushrooms. Okay. Mushrooms, and the mushroom deganimiz nima? Okay, mugo. Right? Okay, next. Next one is broccolis. Okay, broccolis. Okay, broccolis. Okay, keyingischa cabbage. All right, and the bu nima desanglar, shu qalliq ba'sayin deymiz, cabbage deymiz. Ya kapuska deb qo'yamiz qo'yamiz. Ruschadan kirgan so'zga, Uyg'urchaga. And the keyingisiga javob desanglar, Chinese cabbage. Okay, it is a Chinese cabbage. Okay, and the next one is celery. Okay, celery. And the money, yana bir so'z bor. Salary, maash deymiz, shunami? Bu maash bilan farq bor. Mana nima? Celery. Ma'ni deganda qisqa, tiz talaffuz qilamiz. Celery. Ko'pli shakli salaries. Hargiz salaries emas, chunki agar salary og'zimizning cho'ng ochadigan bo'lsa, bu nima desanglar, maash degan gap. Salary. Okay, what about next? Next one is cucumbers. Okay, cucumbers. And the cucumbers can tarhamak. Okay, next one is eggplant. Okay, eggplant. Ma algrim bir qadar so'z ekan eggplant. Bu nima desanglar? Cheza shunami? Cheza. Okay, wow, next one is pumpkins. Pumpkins. And the pumpkins desanglar, kava. Undan keyingisi onion. Okay, ko'zda yosh chiqiradigan qaysi desanglar, onion. Onions can shoxla, garlics. All right, garlics. Garlic deganimiz hamda samsak. Garlics. Okay, next one is sweet potatoes. Okay, and the potatoes deganimiz nim bo'lgan bo'lsa, sweet potatoes. Tatlik yangi. Xo'ngshu deb qo'yamiz-ku. Shuni sweet potatoes. All right, next one is peanuts. Okay, peanuts. Bu hasang shunami? Washing deb qo'yamiz-ku. Okay, next one is chilies. Okay, mal lazım neyimiz? Chilies. And corns. Okay, and the corns deganimiz hamda nima desanglar? Qo'naq. Qo'naq. And the qo'naq hamda ziraat turdan yana birga men sekukda turg'im kirib ketdi ekan. Corns. Corns. And the keyingisi nima desanglar? Need. All right, need. Ehtiyojlik degan gap. Ehtiyojlik. Masalan, need to do something. And the need to do something deganimiz nima? Ma'lum bir ish qilishga qanday qilish ehtiyojlik. Masalan, need something bo'lsa, ma'lum narsaga ehtiyojlik. Masalan, we need your help. Biz sizningki yordamingizga muhtoj. Ehtiyojlik degan gap. We need to buy a new house. Biz yangi uy setilishimiz kerak. Demak, nima yerda to do something deganimiz hamda shu muhim narsa shu. Okay, and the keyingisi nima desang, that is what I need. U bo'lsa mening naq ehtiyojlik bo'lgan narsam. That is what I need. Naq men ehtiyojlik bo'lgan narsa shu. That is what I need. So, does he need doctor for his illness? So, does he need doctor for his illness? U kisliga doktor lazım ekan, doktorga ehtiyoj bormi ekan, deydi. Does he need a doctor for his illness? Demak, ham need deganimiz nima desam, shari ehtiyojlar. So, do you need my help? Bo'sh-ku. Menga yordam kerakmi shunami? Does he need to know? Okay. U bilish kerakmi? Bilishi shartmi? Deganda. There's no need of worrying. Bu ensirashdan nima? Ajt yo'q degan gap. Demak, ham need degan ehtiyojlar. No need bo'lsa, zarurat yo'q. You need it speak so loudly. And the machine needed deganimiz, needed to do deganimiz hamda zarurat yo'q, behojat demakchi. Hamda masalan biz bayon jumlalari you must speak loudly. Okay, siz chuqmanasiz. Hamda buni inkor shakli qanday bo'lish kerak desam, javob berganda you need to speak so loudly. O'sa unjola hamda chin gap qo'yatmisizmi? Qanday desanglar? So you need to make a shopping list. Siz nima ish qilishingiz kerak? Bir shopping list qana yasash qana ehtiyojlar. You need some time to think about it. And this is azroq vaqt o'ylashga azroq vaqtga ehtiyojlar degan gap bo'ldi. And you need a quiet and comfortable place. And this is jimjit, rahat bo'lgan nimaga ehtiyojlar deydi? Rahat bo'lgan yerga ehtiyojlar deydi. Okay. Demak, hamda need deganimiz ham mishari nima desanglar? Lazım, zarur, kerak degan gap. Men yana o'tib ketib qolibdi. Qaranglar. Masalan, it's you needn't have cleaned the window. Siz asli bu derizin tazılışınızla hacet yok diye demekçe. Ödep boğan nərsini nisbeten. Yani it's no need spending so much money. Onda cıq pul xərcləşdən qana zürrütü yok. Hacet yok degan gap. Yani there is no need that you leave so early. Sizin onda balı qaytışınızdan, ketişinizdan qana ornu yok. You know, we don't have any urgent need for money. Bizga aytdi zür pulga hazır nima aytsanlar onda jiddiy nimamiz yo'q deydi. Okay, next one is hope. Hope deganimiz nima aytsanlar umid qilmoq, arzu qilmoq. Tushunami? Ya'ni hope to do something. Ma'lum bir ish qilishni qanday qilish, umid qilish. Masalan, I hope to study abroad next year. Men chet elda kelar yil chet elda o'qishimni qanday qilaman? Umid qilaman. Masalan, I hope everything goes well. Men mishlarniki o'ngishli bo'lishini umid qilaman. Demak, ma'na aytib ko'p ishlar. I hope everything goes well. Men mishlar ijobiy bo'lishini umid qilaman. Yani I hope you can understand me. And siz meni tushunishingizni qanday qilaman? Umid qilaman. Yani I hope I can get more salary next year. Okay. Men kelar yili texmi ko'proq maosh olishimni umid qilaman. Hamda yana birisi salary bo'lsa, salary. Farqi bormi? Bit bilan bad deklam. Salary. I hope I can get more what salary next year. Endi men yerga hope that degan men shuni umid qilamanki degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, I hope that you study abroad next year. Men sizningki chet elda o'qishingizni qanday qilaman? Umid qilaman. You know, where there is life, there is hope deydi. Hayotlik nima bilan bo'lgan umid shu yerda deydi. Where there is life, hayotlik nima bo'lsa, there is hope. Ona degan biz İngilis biz g'oya to'g'ri ma'rifatniki mana bir sloganni o'tirib qo'ydik. Where there is internet, there is g'oya. Internet nima bo'ldi ekan? G'oya shu yerda. Demak, endi to'g'rilanma sharoitda har qanday vaqt, har qanday sharoitda siz shu to'g'ri ma'rifatni qanday qilasiz? To'g'ri nima qila olasiz? To'g'ri orqali o'rganish qila olasiz-ku. Endi men yerga wish deganimiz nima deysanglar? Bu ko'pincha hamda bu umid qilmoq degan gap. Masalan, bu shu realniy bo'lmagan yoki masalan o'tib ketgan o'tmishlik nisbatan shuni mandaq bo'lib ekan deb shuni umidni ifodalagan bo'lsa nima desam, wish. Okay, next one is thing. All right, thing. Okay, thing deganimiz nima desam, ish degan gap, ha? Masalan, do one thing well. Bir ishni qanday qiling? Yaxshi qiling. Qamlashtirib qiling, joyida qiling degan gap. Do one thing well. Okay. You know, there is nothing to see. Okay, endi men yana nothing deganimiz nima? Hech qanday narsa, there is nothing to see. Bu yerda ko'gidagi hech qanday narsa yo'q ekan demak. You know, we are talking about the same thing. Biz o'xshash bir masala ustida yoki masala to'g'risida qanday qilyapmiz, paranglashmayapmiz. We are talking about you know, same thing. You know, you can try to do everything you like. So you can try to do everything. Siz xohlagan qanday narsani sinab baqsangiz bo'ladi. You like everything you like. Siz yoqib turgan. So I want to know about this thing from beginning to end. Okay, and bu men mushniki, mush boshlanish, oxirlashish hammasini tafsili bilib boqman. Demakchi, jupdan jingni qilsa qanday qilganman, bilib boqman. Okay. Next one is money. Okay, money. Okay, money deganimiz nima? Pul. Shunami? Pul. Bu pul nima deymiz? Money. Masalan, give me some money. Ammo azroq qanday qiling? Pul bering. We don't have any money. Bizda pul yo'q. Endi bu money degan so'z sanig'ini bo'lmaydi. Buni many money demaymiz, much money. Much money. Chunki bu money deganimiz abstrakt bir uqum. Masalan, tarixdan buyon ilgari masalan narsalarmi pul bo'lgan, keyin oltin ko'mishim pul bo'lgan, hozir qog'oz pul shunami? Hatto qog'oz pulni sanig'ini bo'ldi. Endi biz money degan kallamizga bir uqum bo'ldi. Hargiz bu konkurs tutquni bo'lgan narsa emas. Biz haliqi konkurs qog'oz olib bu nima desam, buni note deymiz inglizcha. A note yoki notes desak bo'ladi uni. Uni sanig'ini bo'ldi, lekin mana pul qanday qilgan bo'lmaydi, sanig'ini bo'lmaydi. Shunga money nima sanig'ini bo'lmaydigan bir ism. Okay, you know, I have no money with me. Okay, menda pul yo'q degan gap bo'ldi shu. You know, where do you keep your money? Where do you keep your money? Pulangizni nega saqlab qo'ydingiz? Nega saqlab qo'ydingiz? Degan gap bo'ldi. So, word games qaranglar. Bu nima? Ma'lum nima degan? Shopping. Good. Manancha hope. Manancha vegetable. What about this list? Go shopping. Need. Thing. Alright. Amsa qaranglar. Birinchisi bitta shopping. Uni keyingisi qaysi so'z bu? Hope. Vegetable. Go shopping. List. Thing. Need. Alright. So let's take a look. Text. So that's level. Mush textni bir ko'ngil qo'yib anglagandan keyin, amsa bir tafsiliy tushuntirish kerak. Listen carefully.
What are you doing, Carol?
I'm making a shopping list, Tom.
What do we need?
We need a lot of things this week. I must go to the grocer's. We haven't got much tea or coffee, and we haven't got any sugar or jam.
What about vegetables?
I must go to the green grocer's. We haven't got many tomatoes, but we've got a lot of potatoes. I must go to the butcher's too. We need some meat. We haven't got any meat at all.
Have we got any beer and wine?
No, we haven't. And I'm not going to get any.
I hope that you've got some money.
I haven't got much.
Well, I haven't got much either.
Okay. So, look, what are you doing, Carol? Okay, so what are you doing? Endi mani algirgi darsimiz o'rganib bo'lgan shunami. Siz nima ish qilyapsiz? Endi bu oddiy hozir davomlashayotgan zaman, bu sharkatniki hamda shu bo'layotgan vaqtida, shu yuz berayotgan vaqtida ishlatamiz. So, what are you doing, Carol? Carol, siz nima ish qilyapsiz? Desa, I'm making a shopping list. Okay, men shu tamoq mal setib olish tizimlik yasayotiman. I'm making a shopping list, Tom. So what do we need? And the we need degan biz ehtiyojlik. And the what do we need? Biz nimaga ehtiyojlik? Agar siz nimaga ehtiyojlik bo'lsa, what do you need? What do you need? So we need a lot of things this week. And we share a lot of emas. A lot of deganimiz nurg'un. Biz nurg'un narsalarga ehtiyojlik. And a lot of deganimiz nurg'un endi bu ham sanani bo'lgan, ham sanani bo'lmaydigan shikilisi kelaverdi. Masalan, a lot of money, a lot of water, a lot of books, a lot of students degandek. Demak, buning keyiniga sanani bo'ladigan ismnimi, sanani bo'lmaydigan ismlarni qo'yaveramiz. Albatta, bu sanani bo'ladigan ismlarni qo'ygan cho'qim ko'plik shaklini olamiz. A lot of book deb qo'ysak bo'lmaydi, a lot of books. Endi sanani bo'lmaydigan ismlar hisobini bo'lmaydi-ku endi. Biz nurg'un narsaga ehtiyojlik bo'lyapti deydi. So we must go to grocers. Biz endi militmanlar do'koniga berib yoki shu masalan bizning mahallalardagi hamda shu qushaq-tushak, yemeklik, u bu narsalarni sotadigan do'kon bor, o'shani grocers deymiz. We must go to grocers. We haven't got much tea or coffee. And we have got much tea was bizda nurg'un choy bor degan gap. We haven't got bo'lsa, we haven't got degan yo'q degan gap. Endi mishariki have got deganimiz amaliyotda nima sanalashlar. Bor degan gap. Shu have degan bilan o'xshashcha hamda. We haven't got much tea. Bizda jiq choy yo'q or coffee yoki qahva. Demakki bizda ozroq va jiq yo'q demakchi. We haven't got much tea or coffee and we haven't got any sugar or jam. Bizda faqatlam nima shikar bilan murabbo qolmadi. Endi mishariki haven't got much bilan haven't got any ning farqi bor. Endi much degan ko'p degan gap bizda jiqqanmidi degan gap bizda ozroq bor. Demak oz qoldi degan gap tushundingizmi? And we haven't got any bo'lsa bizda yo'q degan gap. So we haven't got much tea or coffee deganimiz bizda qahva bilan choy oz qoldi. We haven't got any sugar or jam degan choy bilan murabbo bilan shakar tugidi degan gap. Tugidi degan gap. Hamma tabaqlar bizda plus qoldi. Mende pul az kaldı degan nima? I haven't got much money. Demek pul az kaldı. Endi pul yo'q bo'lsa, I haven't got any money. I haven't got any money. Okay, qaranglar, what about vegetables? Okay, amsa sayko'tatlarcho. I must go to greengrocers. And men shu sayko'tat do'koniga berishim kerak. We haven't got many tomatoes, but we've got a lot of potatoes. Okay, bizda nurg'un pomidorlar bor, lekin pomidor oz qoldi. Biroq endi bizda yong'yu bek chiq deydi. We haven't got many potatoes degan bizda yong'yu oz qoldi. Demakki many potatoes ko'p qolmadi. Oz qoldi. Demak, lekin bizda potato qana nihoyat ko'p. We've got a lot of potatoes. Okay. Amsa paqinglar okay. Bizda pul oz qoldi bo'lsa, we haven't got much money, right? Okay. And bizda pul jiq bo'lsa, we've got lots of money. Yoki much money. Desak bo'ldi. So I must go to butchers too. Hamda men qassobxonaga go'sht do'koniga berishim kerak. I must go to butchers too. We need some meat. Biz azroq nimaga ehtiyojliq? Go'shtga ehtiyojliq. We need some meat and we haven't got any meat at all. Bizda faqat go'sht qolmabdi. Demak, endi vitaminmi qolmadi deganda, endi bir parcha qolmadi. We haven't got any meat at all. At all degan butunlay degan gap. So have we got any beer and wine? Bizda azroq shu piyo bilan aroq bormikan? No, we haven't. And I'm not going to get any. Nima? Men setib olmayman. Setib olish planim yo'q demakchi. So I hope that you've got some money. Okay. Men azroq pul bo'lishni umid qilaman. I haven't got much. Menda jiq yo'q. Well, I haven't got much either. Oyki menda jiq yo'q. Demak, ana to bilan aytirna farqi. To degan endi bo'lishlik jumlalarga. Masalan, I like coffee desa birisi, yana birisi I like coffee too. I don't like tea. I don't like tea either. Demak, endi inkorliq nima desam, o'shaga either keldigan gap. So, look guys, let's answer these questions. So, what's Carol's doing? What is Carol doing? Okay, what is she doing? Nimishqoti Carol balla? She's making a shopping list. Okay. And bir mal setimiz tizimniki yasab o'tirishni. So have they got any tea or coffee? Have they got any tea or coffee? Bularni qanaqat oz qolgan. Oz qoldi degan nima deymiz desanlar? They haven't. Okay, they haven't much. Have they got any potatoes? Have they got any potatoes? Yes. They've got lots of potatoes. Lot of nurg'un nimalar bor desanlar? Potatoes bor. Okay, number 4. Have they got any meat? Okay, ular go'sht bormi? Have they got any meat? No, they haven't got any meat at all. Ular faqatlam qanday qilmabdi? They haven't got any meat at all. So has Tom got much money? Tom jiq pul bormikan? No, he hasn't. Uning jiq pul yo'q demakchi, he hasn't much. So what's Carol not going to buy? And the Carol nimani setib olmaydi ekan bola. Amasa ma'lum narsa setib olmaydi. Nimani setib olmaydi qanda? She's not going to buy any meat. Okay, and the misharika lots of plant lots of. Okay, lots of. Okay, mesela there are a lot of apples on the table. Yeah, okay, there are lots of apple on the table. Demek nurg'un selnoslara olma bor. There is a lot of milk in the bottle and the potilkada jiq sut bor. Demak, anda mishar a lot of yoki lots of o'xshash hamda. Ikkisi ham sanog'li bo'lgan, ham sanog'li bo'lmaydigan simlarni olib keldi. Endi bu yerga mani bilan mashhur desanlar, bu mani ikkilisining ma'nosi ko'p nurg'un degan gap. Lekin mani degan sanog'li bo'lgan simlarning ko'pligining oldiga mash degancha sanog'li bo'lmaydigan simlarni olib keldi. Masalan, many book demaymiz, many books. Many student demaymiz, many students. Many apple demaymiz, many apples deymiz. And the much degancha sanog'li bo'lmaydi. Masalan, much water, much money degandek. Andaqda qaranglar, have got deganimiz endi shu jumladagi have got degan shu have ga teng endi. Ig'iz tilida ko'p ishlatdi. Masalan, they have got no money. Demak, they have no money. Ularda nima yo'q? Pul yo'q. They have no money. I have got some friends. Mening bir necha do'stim bor. I haven't got any friends. Mening qanday desanglar, hech qanday do'stlarim yo'q. I have got nothing to give you. I have got nothing to give you. And men sizga beradigan hech qanday narsam yo'q. I've got nothing. Okay, menda yo'q demoqchi, tushunami? And at all deganimiz butunlay degan gap, I hardly know him at all. And the hardly know him degan asosan tonimayman degan gap. Men faqatlam tonimayman, butunlay tonimayman. Qanchalik tonimayman degan gap, Okay, I hardly know him at all. I don't tell you at all. Okay. Men sizga faqatlam qanday qilmayman deb bermayman. There is nothing to worry about at all. Okay, and hech qanday answer kerak narsa qolmadi. There is nothing to worry at all. Answerishni qanday desanglar, qattiqla ma'nosi yo'q. Demak, endi many, much, a lot of them ko'p nurg'un degan gap. Okay, qarasanglar, masalan, we need a lot of things this week. Bizda nurg'un nimalar bor? Narsalar bor. We haven't got much tea or coffee. Okay, I'm the much degan nima? Sanag'an bo'lmaydiganini olib keldi. We haven't got many tomatoes. Okay, I'm the many tomatoes sanag'an bo'lganini, but we've got lots of potatoes. Biroq bizda nurg'un nima? Yangi yo'llar bor. I hope you've got some money. And this is the pul bo'lishni. I haven't got much money. Demak, endi o'sha qarasang, many sanag'an bo'lgan, much sanag'an bo'lmaydigan lot of shikilisi qanday desanglar, kilibrdo. Qaranglar, masalan, beats, lists, boats, lists, coins, pens, books, bu nima desanglar, many. Demak, sanag'an bo'lgan, and the money, tea, salt, water, sand deganni, coffee, bular nima desanglar, sanag'an bo'lmaydigan much. Masalan, much water, much sand. Sand sanamliq ya bir qum ikki qum deb. Much coffee degandek. Hamda bu nima sanamashdan keyin bu shu. Sanag'ib bo'lmaydi qasim keldi. Sanag'ib bo'lmaydi qasim keldi. Demak, hamda men lot of degancha arshikilisi keldi. Bu nima sanlar lots of bilan bushlarning kenimsi qo'shilgan. Hamsa bir mashq qilib boqaylik bolalar. So, do you like this red car? No. Hamda bunaqa javob sanlar not at all. Yo'q. Faqatlam qanday desanglar xo'sham yo'q. Okay. Not so unchalik emas degan. So there isn't a mineral water left. We have to buy another bottle. There isn't. Okay, I'm emotionally mad at someone. There isn't much mineral water left. Unda jiq mineral water qolmabdi. Qanday qilishimiz kerak endi? Setib olishimiz kerak deydi, tushunami? Keyingisi, so homework really makes the student feel tired. Demak, hamda so much. And the homework deganimizdan nima aytsanlar, sanalolmaydi. Chunki men work degan ish degan gap bir aniq bir konkret narsa yo'q narsa-ku, ma'lum. Qalbimizdagi bir uqum bir. Shuni buni qanday qilmaymiz, sanamaymiz. Masalan, I must go to buy some meat. And I go to the butcher. Go to the butchers. So we should eat more vegetables and fruits instead of what? Instead of too much rich food. Demak, undan mayli tamoqning o'rniga biz ko'proq nima? Vegetable iste'mol qilishimiz kerak. Okay, next one is I love, you happy journey. I desire them, though. I hope, I wish, I regard. I wish you a happy journey. I wish. Listen, the book be the John's. It has his name on it. Okay, I'm the man about Salah. Can't be John's. Okay, it has his name on it. O çoxum bununki MS. Eğer onun boş demiş vaatı, symbol kerekdir. Nana? Keyingisi be careful. There is traffic. A, many traffic. B, little traffic. C, less traffic. D, a lot of traffic. Okay, muştan qaysi? Muhimi deməkçi jiqil qatnaşması var demək. Jiq degan lot of yoki endi mash desek bo'ldi, chiqmoqda. Bu savollar sizlar bugungi darsimiz mushayichi bo'lsin. Hamsa keyingi darsda mushtinki mashq va keyingi soat dars ko'rishlik. See you next time. Goodbye.